October 1st, 2012, Bobby Hill is going to pull his first Volkswagen motor. First thing he's going to do is take the top engine bolt loose. We already have the bottom ones loose.
The top engine bolt is right back here on the passenger side. If you reach right back behind here and feel.
Okay, now unplug your oil pressure switch wire. Unplug your tack wire. Unplug your coil wire, positive wire. Unhook your throttle cable. We'll screw inside the carburetor. Okay, unhook your generator. Alternator on this car was originally a generator. 6-volt cart, now it's a 12-volt cart. Get some tape. You see that the wire's hot? Go get some tape. We're gonna make this wire so it won't short out. Unhook this red wire. It goes to the coil over there. Over here. Follow it over. Take your air breather off. It's got oil in it, don't turn it sideways. Unhook the red wire going across. Now pull all your wires to the side so the motor will be free. Okay, move your other wires over. Now start pulling the motor back. We took the bottom engine bolts out already. Grab the engine and start pulling back. Up and down. Grab by the tailpipe. Up and down. Check your jack. Make sure your jack's still in the center of the motor. All right, come on back with it. Wiggle it up and down with it exhaust. Come on back. Okay, now get your oh, stop. Take your heater, pull your fuel hose. It's coming through here. Yeah. I got the clamp loose for you. Pull that top hose off. You might use a screwdriver to push it off of there with. Well, time's money. We have a spectator here.
Yeah, I've been running like a nigger checking parts.
I thought you were just doing regular video.
I'm doing a regular video. We don't use the N word here.
No.
A big screwdriver push it off there, Bob. Oh. Get a big screwdriver and push it off. We have the doors off the car. Charlie's working on the front.
Can you tell us what's going to take place right here in the back?
The motor's
right here where the tape's at?
Motors, that's where you won't cut your hand. We've cut the rear body panel off this thing.
Yes, sir. Mark's got a few of those loose.
All right, pull it all the way out. Watch your clamp. Watch your clamp. Now, if there's very much gas, it'll start leaking on the ground. You pull the hose up high here. We have a plastic bag here. Actually, grab that plastic bag. Put this clamp.
We got another nut down here by this plastic bag.
Here.
Inside here.
All right, Bobby, pull the motor straight on back. Move your tools out of the way so you won't. Yeah. This body's. Watch it. All right, pull your throttle cable out. You see your throttle cable?
Grab a hold of that. Julian, pull this out. Let's pull this out right here. Come on. Yeah. Reach in here and let's get a good bite on it. Pull it back. Here you go, Bob. Easy, fuck, Bobby. You gotta hold on. You jump on it.
Gotta look around.
Fuck, dude.
Don't.
It's okay. You didn't mean to, man.
put your hands where you don't lose them.
I'm trying to pull this back. It's caught right here.
You can't put your hands where you're gonna get caught. The motor will come anyway. Pull the motor on out. All right, let the motor down. Let the motor down.
Always look around.
Me and Bobby could have done this fine. Whoa, pull it back now. Pull it back. Pull it back.
Hold on. Just like that. Pull that coil wire. Come in. Plug wire. Put it back on.
Joey, me and Bobby doing this.
Oh, sorry.
All right, bring it back out of there. Jack it up a little bit. Your motor's on your jack probably.
Yeah, hung on your spring. Back here. On the back side.
What kind of spring?
The leaf spring. It's on right there on the exhaust setting on it. There you go, pull it back.
All right, pull it back now.
Okay, keep that motor level.
All right, pull.
A little more, there you go.
Are these cables hooked up? Oh, we got a heater cable we didn't unhook.
Push it back in a little bit.
Right, Bob.
Take the pressure off.
But jack it back up. Jack it back up. There's a heater cable. I didn't know we had hooked them up.
I am. I'm trying to put it back on the jack.
Need an 8mm.
Pick it up again on the go back. Pick up the cover so I can get underneath and pick it up.
I am picking it up, Bob.
All right, jack it up. Yeah, I need an 8mm in here. Give me 8mm. Actually, hold the camera for a second.
That's pretty tough. Doing good, Bob.
Don't hold your hand in front of you.
I'm not. At 8mm here, we're taking off the.
Back up, get the whole picture.
I am getting the whole picture. Well, down here in the back, he's taking a heater cable off, which is an 8mm. Go ahead and free the motor up the rest of the way.
Back up.
I am backed up, Dad. You can see everything. Huh?
You can see the whole car?
Yeah, you can see the whole car. You can see.
Move the motor back now. This is what we forgot to take out. You gotta have the jack straight back, Bobby. You can't pull the motor sideways.
There it is. Your motor's on the ground.
Bring the motor back. Put it in a plastic bag. All right, how to pull a Volkswagen with modern difficulties in 5 minutes or less. All right, this is a 1600 dual port motor, stock 71. We pulled this motor out to replace the rear body panel. Where's the rear body panel at, Bobby? That's gonna go in there like that. I need you to go down and get. We're not gonna.
Down to where? Hip out?
I need you to go down the yard, pull one of these hinges. See how the hinge is messed up, or the hinge bracket?
He's got one right there's got some on it. It's old enough, not old enough.
That's the memory line and stuff right there. Yes, it is.
Put this ratchet up.
That's the rarest thing I've ever seen in my life.
There it is.
No, you haven't seen it from here yet.
We have the doors off. This thing's got front disc brakes. Charlie's repairing the front nose panel. It's 10mm to pull that bracket you need. Charlie's checking things out here.
This is just miscellaneous stuff that you're gonna go through. I don't know if you want to hold on to
Put this in my car for now.
It's whatever car you're going to.
I can't afford raises, man. $13.
Bobby's gonna replace the hinge bracket. And we have another Volkswagen here we're getting ready to go with. We've already taken the engine out of it. There's where the body panel we cut out. All right, Bobby Hill.
Sir.
Anything you want to say to the internet world? The 10th month, first day, 2012.
Keep Volkswagens alive.
How do you feel
Feel good.
after pulling your first Volkswagen motor? You only forgot one thing, the heater cable.
Yeah.
And that's my fault.
Minor difficulties. But we got it done.
This dash been slightly modified on this thing. Got the headliner. Sunroof's been removed for paint job. All right, signing off on this video.
See you next time.